Digital water meters are being trialled in hundreds of Melbourne households with the capacity to monitor bills in real time and immediately fix hidden leaks. But after the controversy surrounding similar energy devices, Karianne Greenbank tells us customers will have to be won over.
Out with the old, in with the new. Hundreds of digital water meters are being installed across Melbourne suburbs. It's part of a 12-month trial for City West, Yarra Valley and South East Water, allowing residents to monitor their water use in real time.
We've installed over 500 digital water meters and we've already helped 18 customers save water by identifying leaks.
Hidden water leaks will be immediately detected and residents sent a text message warning of surging costs.
You might not get your bill for 3 months here and get bill leak. With these meters, we'll be able to send an SMS and you'll be able to know very quickly that you might have a leak and to get a plumber to come and fix it.
If the trial's successful, digital water meters will be rolled out across the city. But first, they'll have to counter the controversy of energy smart meters. When they were introduced, there were widespread fears they caused house fires, later disputed by the MFB.
We've seen what happened in the energy space and certainly the water sector wants to make sure by doing these trials that we can demonstrate the benefits.
If the trial is green-lighted, millions of metres will be manually changed over. City West Water says the decision will be based on the benefit to customers. Karianne Greenbank, 9 News.